In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a job at Zoho in just 5 minutes. Now, Zoho is quite renowned and its application process is remarkably simple. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative individual, or someone looking to delve into a vibrant work environment, Zoho could be the perfect fit for you. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to the Zoho website by typing in zoho.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll either need to sign up for an account if you don't have one, or sign into your existing account. If you're new to Zoho, don't worry, creating an account is a quick and straightforward process. Just click on the sign up option and follow the on-screen instructions. If you already have an account, simply click sign in, enter your credentials, and you'll be good to go. Now that you're signed in, let's scroll down to the bottom of the home page. There, you'll find a section that leads you to various links. What you're looking for is the careers link. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to Zoho's career opportunities. On the careers page, there will be an option to view open roles. Clicking on this will show you a wide range of job opportunities available at Zoho. Now take your time to browse through and find a job post that catches your interest. When you've found a position that seems like a good fit, click on it to get more details about the job. After reading through the job description and requirements, if you find that the role aligns with your skills and career goals, click on the I'm interested button. This action will start the application process. You'll be prompted to fill in your personal details, education and professional background, so make sure you have all your information ready to go. Once you've completed filling out all the required fields, take a moment to review everything to ensure the information is accurate and complete. After you're satisfied with your application, it's time to hit that Submit Application button. Zoho offers a couple of other ways to simplify your application process as well. You can choose to apply using your Zoho Corporation account for a swift, easy apply experience. Alternatively, if you have an Indeed account, you can use it to apply directly as well. And that wraps up our guide on how to apply for a job at Zoho quickly and efficiently. Following these steps ensures your application is submitted smoothly and you're one step closer to joining the dynamic team at Zoho. Thanks for staying with us and good luck with your application.